Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. Start the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Tyler in California. Tyler.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Long time listener, second time calling.
All right, good to have you.
CNBC Investors Club. And the stock I'm liking right now and investing into, despite the bad earnings and possible FDA approval around the corner, is Novavax. What are your thoughts?
I mean, look, I've been waiting. You know, they've made a lot of bold claims, and they may get it. But you know what? We have a great leading companies. We have Pfizer in it, and we have BioNTech, and that's what we needed. Let's go to Danny in Arizona, please. Danny.
Yeah, hi, booyah, Jim. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Hey, I was calling about Cenex. It hit a wall when Russia invaded Ukraine. I'm down like 56%. Is this thing ever going to turn around?
Well, look, I think the metals have peaked, okay? And I think that's part of the idea that I talked about at the top of the show, that it's just a question of how much the Fed wants to push to really knock inflation over. And that's what you're dealing with, so I cannot recommend the stock, even though it's very cheap. How about Joan in New York? Joan.
Hi, Mr. Cramer.
Joan.
Thank you for all that you do for the small investor.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're great. I have a symbol RBLX robot.
I can't recommend a stock that is not making money. You know how I feel about these companies. If they're not making money, they are not on my list to buy. Hal? No, Hal. Hal? Speak to me.
Jim.
Yes, Hal.
Huge booyah from Cleveland, Jim.
Man, I'm going to Cleveland soon. What's happening?
Great place. You're talking about lithium mining, I think it was last week. What's your take on Li-Cycle, L-I-C-Y?
I like this Goldman piece this weekend about how lithium may have peaked. I'm not going to go there. We're dealing with a lot of peaking of a lot of different metals. I'm staying away. How about we go to Brent in Michigan? Brent.
Jimmy, Mr. Green Thumb Chill, how's it going?
Oh, man, garden looks good. I got that nice, I got this really good irrigation system going. What's happening?
You know, last night I was kind of depressed. I was sitting at the dinner table. I forgot to deposit my paycheck. My daughter said, Dad, grab your phone, take a snap of it, upload it to the bank, and boom, bye, it's deposited. I tried it, and it worked like a charm. Made me think, how's the banks doing this? Led me to this little tech company. Well, they're not little. They have 98% of the market in this. Great moat. They're profitable, 5% bottom line, knocked down a little bit in this market. My company's MyTech Systems, ticker symbol MITK.
I have work to do because I didn't know they had that kind of percentage of the business. If that's the case, then you're absolutely right. Let me do more work. And let's go to Ease in Florida. Easy.
Hey, big booyah.
Booyah.
Easy money. Hey, the charts look out of focus and my eyes hurt when I see BHC. How is their market cap less than Billfold market cap?
Because there's 90%? All right. The answer is because people feel that the actual bond, the debt, is crushing BHC. Now, Joe Papa, I think, is doing a good job, but he brought the Bausch & Lomb sub to the market at a very bad time, and that's really, really crushed the stock. I am a believer the trust owns it, but we have it in abeyance until we see something that tells us that the bonds are not as bad as they look right now. Chris in Virginia. Chris.
Booyah, Jim, from Northern Virginia.
How are you?
Good. With the newest oil ban by the EU, will U.S. oil companies benefit? Specifically, Pioneer has been firing on all cylinders. Can we expect more horsepower from PXD?
Well, there are a lot of people who felt that this deal with OPEC, which might allow them to be able to pump more instead of Russia, is going to knock these down. So you had a total reversal in Pioneer today. Pioneer went all the way from 288 down to 277. What I would say is you got to wait for it to come in, because it's going to come in a little more, and then we're going to buy some more by Thursday, hopefully. I may be frozen. That's because I forgot the date. For the Travel Trust, we will talk about that Thursday, 12 o'clock at our club meeting. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. Hashtag Mad Tweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.